If you've ordered a Bettacare auto-close gate in a larger size than our 3 standard size gate only, you'll receive a gate with all its associated parts and also a separate extension piece with its own instructions. To fit the extension piece, first of all we have to remove the 2 spindle holders from the gate. So what we'll do is we'll squeeze those out of there, both at the top and at the bottom. We'll then replace these pieces into the extension, the outer side of the extension piece. That will go on that side, and with the round piece at the top, that will go into the bottom. We then simply slot the extension piece into the gate, and you'll notice that there's a thinner profile at the top and a larger profile at the bottom. We can then follow the instructions for fitting the gate in exactly the same way to ensure that the gate with extension piece is completely secure.